sharing a thought this evening for World Championship 100 meters silver medalist Kishane Thompson. Since that night in Tokyo, all the accolades and attention have been on oblique Seville. No one remembers Kishane. And while there must be natural disappointment, especially after falling short on now 2 occasions, but Jamaicans and Kishane himself must remember he is still an Olympic silver medalist and now a World Championship silver medalist. So instead of losing confidence, Kishane must remind himself he's still a top-flight, world-class sprinter among the very best in the world. How many people, how many athletes can boast winning Olympic and World Championship silver medals? Kishane need to take heart, rest up in the off-season, hold a steady meditation, fix that preparation, address that execution, create that separation to decide his destination.